Alright, this is a new experience. Hello, my friend. This is the Piaggio, I don't know, Honda something. Is it a Honda? I don't know. This is weird. Alright, hello and welcome to this video. It is a test ride, and it is just that, a test ride, which means that I will be riding this for 15 to 20 minutes, and everything I say, I say. There is no more things to it. I wonder what that foot thing does. Do I even want to press it? I don't know. It's dangerous, probably. I don't know. This thing does something like it can lock the wheels. Can I do that right here? No. Alright, so you probably just lock the wheels when you want to park it then. And you've got brakes here. So it's a scooter. I'm not used to this. This is super weird for me. That is also super weird. The front brake is on the left and the rear is on the... Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to this. I don't know. I probably can ride this on the highway. Can I? Hopefully it's fast enough. I mean, the speedometer goes to what? More than I would ever want to go on a scooter. Right, we're picking up speed. Cool. I've never ever ridden a scooter, so this is weird. Yeah, it's a scooter and it kind of flicks. Flickada flickada. Flickada flickada. Yeah, I mean, it's very comfortable. I have to say that. I'm gonna be passing here. Come on, little scooter, you can do it. I mean, the thing is that it's not a small scooter at all. It's a 350cc something. But we're at 110 already. All right. How am I not concerned yet? Why do I not feel like I want to jump off? The scooter life. I don't know what to say. It's the first scooter I've ever ridden, so I really don't know what to say here. But it is a scooter. It's 350cc, and I'm just gonna say whatever pops into my head because it's a first ride, first impression. Specs and everything like that, I don't care about specs. Well, I mean, it's some specs I would care about, but mostly I just want to feel what is right for me. And if right for me is something that is high. If right for me suddenly becomes I need the most horsepower I could ever get, then I'm gonna pursue that. But that is not what this is for me now. I'm kind of scared of what that thing right there does, the foot thing. I don't think I want to know. I'm used to having the heat from the engine rising to my legs, but right now it's just nothing. It's only air. Okay, let's see. How well do you handle the turns, Mr. Scooter? Oh, skirt. All right. That was surprisingly okay. I should just be able to ride it like a normal bike. It's super flickable, so in the city and everything like that, I guess this thing would be kind of... I'm gonna scrape my knee, bro, with the scooter. I think it's fun trying to try other stuff, other things. There's a fire? Yeah, in my heart. Because I didn't think I would like this. See, even the horse doesn't like this. He's like, nah, man, what are you doing? I'm not going there. I'm not looking at you while you ride that. Bring back that RSV4, man. The camera is probably a little bit lower. Well, it is lower than my eyes, so I can clearly see above the windscreen right here. The GoPro probably right there is in the middle. So the scooter, I mean, it's not about speed, it's not about anything like that. It's about mobility and usability. And this one has space for another one in the back. So it's kind of cool. Does that make it cool? I don't think so. That's the train, and the train is going faster than me. God freaking dang it. So it seems like this bike really likes to sit at 6,000 RPM, something like that. And when you accelerate, it usually sits below 7,000. I'm sorry, I don't know enough about scooters for me to saying stuff about this thing, but it does flick super easily. If you try to counter steer this one, do you see how fast I'm doing this? It's just weird that I have to pull in the clutch to be able to brake. Usually I just let go of the throttle and then everything is fine. So the moment of truth, can you stand on this bike? Oh, I don't want to. Oh, that's scary. That is super scary. Suspension test. I guess it'll have to be with one wheel. Alright, it does not like that. It does not. Alright, no. It does not like that at all. Oh god. Alright, I'm sorry. That probably looked stupid. I'm so sorry. Can I sit on the back? I can. Ah! Now I've got a lot of things to do. Yeah! This is a scooter. I am doing scooter stuff. Scooter, bro. I can let go of it, but I really want to test out how much lean angle this thing has. Not in a turn, but like on a parking lot or something like that. I don't notice the speed at all on this bike. It's like the windscreen is just not doing anything. Well, it's doing a lot because I don't feel the wind at all. At freaking all. Right, moment of truth. Can I fit through this? Hopefully I can. Yes! Beautiful. So what happens if I want to go across one of those bumps? What happens? I'm gonna have to go slow for this one. Oh. Alright. It was fun to try, but it was terrible. It was a terrible experience, so don't do that. Really, I'd like to try more 125cc bikes and 50cc bikes in the, maybe not 50. That's real slow. Maybe 50. I don't know, diversity. I want to get some perspective on the smaller CC bike scene. Alright, moment of truth. We lean in. Ooh, okay, it's scary. Probably doesn't look scary at all on the camera, but trust me, if you would have seen the inside of my helmet, just know that I am terrified. And another thing that I just thought of, if I somehow with my muscle memory thinks that I have to pull in the clutch, I'm gonna brake super hard without me even thinking about it. Skirt. But it's kind of fun to try, I guess. I mean, yes, it is fun to try because it's something different. That's exactly what I said when I tested the Nikon. I was like, but okay, the Nikon is kind of different because I was really curious as to how the Nikon actually rode. Scooter life is not for me. Maybe I'll get it if I move to the city and I need to get around everywhere. Maybe I'll buy like an electric scooter. Alright, scooter life not for me, but it was definitely fun to try. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next test ride.